Yo, what's up again, YouTube? Today we're making a side bag, and this is a list of all the material that you're gonna need. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Definitely helps the channel, and yeah. This is what you're gonna need to cut. Essentially, it is two main body pieces, which is this one here and this one, and the front pocket piece, the panel, and the two zip panels. The first thing you're going to want to do is hold over the raw edge from the top of this front pocket and pull for the stitch. After doing that, this is what you're going to do. Next step is with the right side of the zip facing the right side of one of the zip panels, you're going to sew that zipper onto the one of the panels. The next step that you're going to do is with the other side of the zipper, just do the exact same thing. Right side spacing and stitch the zip onto the other side. The next thing you want to do is add top stitches on either side.
Serious. You don't use like music wise. How many music?
I don't know. Just use the foot. Next step, cut a piece of ribbon out and clean the raw edges just so that they don't fray. You can either use a lighter or a stick of matches. And then what you're going to do is just remove one side of one of these things like this and close it off with the stitch. You use this basting tool. So you're going to run the stitch along the edge. Next step is place this like this here, and then just use a basting stitch to keep it there at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. This is the part where you should really pay attention. Step 1, this is what you do, like this. And then you're gonna use a stitch to kind of hold this in place. Be sure to back stitch. Then with that raw edge facing down, see, facing down, you're gonna take the free edge and loop it around that little the other slider over there. Right. And then this is what you can do. You're just gonna go back to this one and go under and over, like above the webbing. Obviously, you're just gonna do this. It's pretty simple, really. But yeah, just pay attention and do it good. And now you're just gonna stitch this part to the other side of this top panel. Now you're gonna trim this big panel to be the same size as the main panel. And you're gonna sew right side spacing at 1/2 inch seam allowance. Fold this zip panel in half and be sure to notch all centers. This is a step that you should have taken before the step that you just taken. Anyway, this is a very unorganized video. The next step would be to sew all around like this. You just use a basting stitch to sew the pocket onto the thing, and then now basically what we're doing is we're sewing the front piece to the thing, and here when you get to the notch you're gonna leave a space. You're gonna leave a space around maybe 2 inches away from the notch from each side, and then you're gonna align the notches again on the other side, on the back side, and sew the back side onto the side back, onto the rest of the side back. When you get to a corner, keep the needle in the fabric, lift the press foot up, and keep sewing when after the check. And then you're just gonna basically go slow at 1/2 inch seam allowance all around until you get down to the notch, to the notch at the bottom. When you've attached both the front and the back, now what you're gonna do is make a stitch down to close where the thing should close. I don't know how to explain this properly, but just do what I'm doing in the video. Basically just closing it because the panels are too long, and so yeah, you wanna just like put a stitch down there and then
So how much you gonna
cut
charge
out
a meter?
the excess material.
Okay, it's fine.
After stitching the bag closed and cutting off that excess material, now what you have to do is just reach inside the bag and pull it out itself. And really, if you're done, this is what you're gonna get. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, share it. Maybe you know someone who wants to make a side bag. And definitely check out the pattern. It's free. Go in the description and yeah, just go download the pattern and make your own. Tag me when you do. And yeah, thank you. See you next time. Like, subscribe.